Good morning, everybody. It's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another great episode of On Trail. Now, we're in the Skyline Regional Park, which also connects to the Verado Trails. We'll get to that in a bit. It's another first rides, first impressions with Bathsheba. Now, the other day we were in Haas. Great ride, love it. I can't wait to go back. And today, where Skyline is similar. Not as much trail as far as mileage goes, but a lot of climbs to be had. So we're really gonna put Bathsheba to the test once again. I'm sure she will do just fine. Early start, time right now is about 4 o'clock in the morning. Got about an hour and a half before the sun comes up, and it should be another beautiful Arizona sunrise. So, enough jibber jabber as we move forward towards Tortuga and Quartz Mine, I believe. So, making our way. Saw a couple hikers this morning already out with their lamps on. God bless. Love it. The community is at large. So, before we leave and get started, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, it's time for that next adventure. Good morning. We're just about done. We got about 4 miles to go ish, something like that. Absolutely gorgeous sunrise getting ready to break over that ridge. As you can see over there, that would be Skyline Crest. We will ride that. As you can see over here, as if I was getting ready to talk about it, we got trail. That's Pyrite Trail. The furthest summit over there at the 12 o'clock, that is Pyrite Summit. We've been to the top of it before. You guys know this. There's videos of it, but we will get there again. And as you can see, we've got that four-wheel drive road just going out into the distance that eventually dumps out onto some parkway. We will be riding that with the motorcycle. Oops, did I say motorcycle? Big announcement coming up. If you made it this far, God bless you. Like, subscribe, bell notification icon. Helps out the channel, helps out the video in case I forgot to say that. And yes, we got a big announcement coming up, so stay tuned for that. My friends, enough jibber jabber. Let's get on it. Let's finish this ride strong. All right, so obviously this is not a clean ride of these switchbacks. I've done it before, guys. Turnbuckle West. I'm not new to this rodeo, but for whatever reason this morning, I'm not feeling it. And you guys know that I am switchback challenged. But regardless, I'm still having fun, so I don't care. Whoa. There we go. right, my friends, that was the first time that I've been able to do a clean run through Turnbuckle West, that lower section. Super stoked. I'm gonna make that just a separate video in and of itself, commercial free, so to speak. If you've made it this far, my friends, God bless you, seriously. Thank you so much for that support. I ask that you like, subscribe, bell notification icon, helps out the channel, helps out the video immensely. So this is the second ride of first ride, first thoughts, initial thoughts for Bathsheba. Remember, she's a Gen 5 Trek Rail 9.8 with Strand transmission. I'm absolutely loving her, okay, seriously. I think the next time I take her out, it's gonna be up north, either in Payson or Sedona. But so far, she's handled everything that I've thrown her way, as to be expected. I don't think I have very much, or anything I should say, to be disappointed about. I will say this, I didn't think I would like the fenders, and I was gonna take those off, but you know what? They've already saved me from getting hit in the face a couple times by a rock, so I think they've earned their keep, so to speak. So yeah, what can I say? Different than Beatrix. Again, we're gonna do a comparison video here, probably in the next couple, 2-3 months, definitely before the end of the year. Beatrix is just a different bike, different motor system with that TQ motor system, but it doesn't mean she's any less fun or less effective. So, my friends, links down below. Check Bicycle Stores of West Phoenix and Street Graphics. Show a little support for them. They support me and everything I do, just like you guys do, actually. We're gonna have some social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, the devil's work, but we need it to get the word out for Get Out Arizona. Have a great hike. So we ask that you follow us there, show us a little bit of love. We do group hikes, group rides, a whole lot of fun. Remember, it's all about that community, my friends. There's gonna be another link down below. That's to our Amazon store. It is an affiliate link. Now, you don't have to buy anything from our store, but if you follow that link, anytime you make an Amazon purchase, we receive a small commission. You are not charged anything additionally, and it helps us out with park pass money, gas money, and coffee money, the other trifecta we love so much here at Get Out Arizona. So, my friends, as we get back to the parking lot, all I can say is I love you guys. Have an amazingly blessed day wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. And before we go, before I forget, oh my gosh, what do we always say? Be kind to yourself and others. Be amazing stewards out on that trail. And we have to ask, as we look around, beautiful Skyline Regional Park, what are you waiting for? Get Out Arizona. My friends, we'll see you on that next adventure. Take care, everybody.